In this rapid reel, unexpected slips and goofy misfires crash the professional poise of football and basketball. A goalkeeper's leap becomes a foam party of air, while a point guard pirouettes into a harmless tumble. Each moment is judged by nobody but the crowd of astonished mascots and stunned teammates, erupting with chorus-like cheers. The camera lingers on clumsy dribbles and accidental saves, turning slips into moments of shared laughter rather than embarrassment. By the final buzzer, fans remember the joy of sports where humor forgives fatigue and errors become legends.